Hey New York, I miss you. I don't think I can say it any better than this. I just miss you. Due to COVID-19, like many other students, I had to leave the city. The most diverse city turned into what it felt like a zombie movie. People started to separate, differ, and even became racist against each other. It was scary. Even back home, though online classes still continued, things just weren't the same anymore. I felt sad, unmotivated, and it was depressing. Slowly as the time passed, new habits developed, a new normal way of living. What I discovered was a beauty and an appreciation in everyday life. Not necessarily about the big things, but in what we used to think that were the small things. Creativity I felt that was deprived of me started to flourish into new forms. I was able to challenge myself to learn new things on a daily basis. I know things will get better. It has to. But until the day I can visit again, New York, please know that I love you.